Welcome back to Code and Conquer Daily, where we solve a new LeetCode problem every single day. If this helps you out, please hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you never miss tomorrow's solution. Today we're tackling problem number 1260, Shift 2D Grid. LeetCode problem number 1260, Shift 2D Grid. You are given a 2D grid of size mxn and an integer k. You need to shift the grid k times. In one shift operation, asterisk element at grid I, j moves to grid I, j plus 1. Asterisk element at grid I, n1 moves to grid I plus 1, 0. Asterisk element at grid m1, n1 moves to grid 0, 0. Return the 2D grid after applying shift operation k times. For example, given grid equals 1 2 3, 4 5 6, 7 8 9, k equals 1, the expected output is 9 1 2, 3 4 5, 6 7 8. The brute force approach involves shifting the grid k times. In each shift operation, we move the elements to the right and then move the last element of each row to the first element of the next row. This approach has a time complexity of O, k m*n, because we are shifting the grid k times and each shift operation takes O, m*n, time. The complexity here is O, k m*n. The optimal approach involves calculating the new position of each element after k shift operations. We can calculate the new position of each element by using the formula I*n plus j plus k mod m*n, where I is the row index, j is the column index, and k is the number of shift operations. This approach has a time complexity of O, m*n, because we are iterating over the grid once to calculate the new positions of the elements. The complexity here is O, m*n. Now let's implement the optimal solution in C++. I'll write it out step by step so you can follow along. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped, give the video a like, share it with someone who's learning, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss tomorrow's LeetCode solution. See you in the next one.